We're out here with the Centurion shotgun once again. I really don't know why I had issues with it feeding, but we're going to try running some rounds through it again, get it working. I'm going to use slugs because it kind of appeared at that 20 slug session I used with the other guns and broke it in. So I got some slugs. We're at 50 yards. And we're just going to see if we can get it to function. Let's see. Don't know if we got a problem with the mag not locking in. That's a mag that came with the gun. Yep, magazine issue. So that's one problem, but I did bring the drum. Alright, so now I'm going to try that 15 round drum, the one that fell out of the other shotgun. Yeah, and that did load. Let's see if it's a magazine issue. Appears this doesn't want to feed too well either. And she's dry. So, obviously this is working. I'm going to try to load just like 5 rounds into this and try some other ammo. And obviously our magazine, I'll have to look at the mag and see what the issue is. It doesn't appear to be going up all the way, locking in. Alright, I'm going to try the mag again with a different brand of ammo in it and see if that's the issue. If not, we'll go back to the drum. Yeah, that mag's toast. Well, that was a Fiyoshi round, but I don't think it's cycling the action enough. But we'll put some in the drum just to check. Alright, I got 4 of the Fiyoshi rounds. Yeah, that's good. It's feeding. A little bit of jam though. Yeah, I don't like feeding the Fiyoshis, and I know why. Oh. Well, alright, it kind of proves it. Had a bad magazine, or the magazine doesn't lock up in there. I have to look into that or get another magazine. And it was kind of cycling with the Fiyoshi after we knocked through. I may try a few other rounds while we're out here. Alright, I'm going to try 4 rounds of the Rio ammo. Like that didn't want to cycle. Now the Rio ammo doesn't want to cycle out of the drum. And that's it. We're empty. Alright. So we got the gun to cycle, but I believe it's 2 things. One, it's a magazine issue, so I have to look into this, look at the mag. And also the drum does kind of work. The drum's a little iffy. That one, I think a lot of that stoppages was it hanging up as it fed. But also it doesn't like certain ammo. And the more inexpensive shotgun shells are an issue here. So I'm probably going to get another magazine and then come out and try to get this thing working a little bit better. But it's better than it was. Just ain't working too smooth. It's kind of been a thing with this gun since I got it. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.